Simpro, we have a range of powerful learning resources designed to help you succeed, whether you're a new user or a seasoned pro. Try Walk Me Through. These are step-by-step guidance on best practice workflows. It's like having an expert right there with you inside the platform. Along with walkthroughs, we also have videos. Simply scroll through the list or search for a specific term and begin learning. Head to the Help Guide. It's our comprehensive library of how-to articles and videos. Just search for what you need and get instant, easy-to-follow solutions. But if you need a more hands-on approach, then we have the Learning Toolbox. Think of it as your personal training library. It's packed with self-paced courses, ranging from product features to updates on our latest releases. It's great for onboarding new staff. You can enroll anytime and take complete control of your learning. And don't forget to look for quick help icons in the product. See one of these blue question marks, hover over it for a quick summary of that feature, and a quick link to the relevant help guide article. From self-paced courses to in-app guidance, your tools for success are right at your fingertips. Start exploring your Simpro learning resources today.